This isn't just carrots and ghee. Watch what happens inside.
How do they keep this much ghee perfectly liquid?
"500 kilograms of raw carrot arrive every single hour."
Why hand peel when machines could do this?
Only the perfect carrots make it past this point.
What's the one temperature that changes everything? Now watch the transformation begin.
The raw materials look good. The paste consistency is holding steady.
I agree. Viscosity is optimal on this sample.
47 minutes remaining on this batch.
Okay, 47, verified and logged.
All right, bring it straight back. Easy now, easy. And hold it right there.
This is where contamination gets stripped away.
What else are they washing away here?
The pressure here removes every trace of field dirt.
Why do they soak in this solution?
This removes 80% of surface moisture in under 90 seconds.
Now comes the invisible quality gate.
How many carrots get rejected every hour?
Every carrot must weigh between 180 and 220 grams.
What happens to the rejected carrots?
This is where chemistry meets craftsmanship.
This is where the magic begins. 500 kilograms of carrot paste enters, liquid gold exits.
What temperature is inside right now?
(185 degrees). If it goes 1 degree higher, the halwa burns.
How long does this mixing take?
They test the texture every 8 minutes.
The process starts here with the wet reference consistency. It thickens during the middle stage, reaching the final dense, spreadable consistency here. It's at capacity. Pull the lever, shut it down.
2,000 liters of ghee and 500 kilograms of carrots now weigh 1,200 kilograms.
Every batch passes through this final gate.
What are they measuring?
One bad batch ruins the factory's reputation.
Okay, team, that's approved. You may begin forming and packaging.
How many blocks per batch?
$600 blocks cool here before packaging.
Why do they use tissue paper?
Now 2,000 boxes wait for their journey.
How long does halwa stay in storage?
Watch your clearance on the right. Clear. Clear. Setting it down now. All right, push it tight against the wall.
All right, bring it up. Confirmed clear on the left. Load is secured, moving forward now.
Bring it down slow. Watch the left side, keep it straight. All right, setting it now.
Every case is locked down for the journey.
Manifest is ready for signing.
Verified. We're good to go.